Look at all those tomatoes. We got a variety of slicer tomatoes and Roma tomatoes. And they are like between 4 and 5 inches tall, all grown in the hydroponic. They've been growing for about between 2 and 3 weeks. We're going to get these up potted into soil and then moved into the grow tent to finish out growing till time to go into the garden. It is time to do some up potting. So I take a tub and I put my compost mixture in here that I want to use. I simply take my little pots, put them down in there, and just fill them up just like that. Shake them off. And they're ready to go. All them filled. Time to up pot. And just simple, just like that, we've already up potted 5 of them. I'm going to show you just how simple this process works for me. I simply take my label out, stick it down in there, poke a hole with my finger. Oil pod comes out. See all the roots? I'll stick them right down in that hole. Then I'm going to shuffle the dirt back around in it. And those are up potted. And that's how quick they go from hydroponic into soil. Now, follow me into the grow tent where I'm going to put these away. And just like that, we have 23 tomatoes. We have a bell pepper, a hot pepper, and celery already up potted. Thank you guys for watching, and follow along with us for all of our gardening updates this season.